Hi, my name is James, and I recently completed the Cybersecurity Bootcamp through QuickStart and Texas A&M. The bootcamp was very thorough. I didn't really know much about IT. Played around with computers just through different applications and everyday use, not really knowing much and very much in depth. But this program takes you from a beginner to the knowledge and skills that a cybersecurity professional is required to have. The main value, I think, is the one-on-one mentorship and the labs. The labs are tons of value. It gives you actual hands-on experience. I definitely would recommend this to anyone, whether you're starting out or you're even possibly a network engineer looking to move forward.